I want to share something really close to my heart. My experience in the slums of Nairobi. Yep, you heard that right. I spent some time immersing myself in the vibrant yet challenging community of the Nairobi slums. And let me tell you, it was a life-changing journey. Welcome back to my channel, guys. We are in the Kibera slums of Nairobi, and what I will say to you guys, don't try and do this on your own. You need a guide. This is my guide, Eliza. So as we start coming through the slums, Eliza has showed me the market, which is very interesting. In Europe and in the UK, we donate clothes to charities like Oxfam, and this is where they end up. So all these market stalls are selling second-hand clothes, which some of them, as you know yourself, guys, if you put them into the Oxfam bags, some of them are absolutely fabulous. The numbers you see on the stalls is the price. Hello. And when you see 100 shillings, basically it's £2.50. As we navigated our way through the narrow alleyways, the sights and sounds overwhelmed my senses. Vibrant colours of fresh produce, the buzz of negotiations between buyer and seller, the laughter of young children playing amongst the market stalls. It was a melting pot of life and energy like I'd never experienced. These streets are well trodden. But it wasn't just about the market. I had the privilege of meeting a group of incredibly strong and inspiring women who came together to educate their community about HIV and AIDS. Their unwavering dedication to spread awareness and provide support for those in need was truly humbling. Guys, we're visiting the Power Women Group. The Power Women Group is an organisation which was created to raise awareness of HIV and AIDS. One of the ladies will come and have a chat with us, and let's have a listen, see what they've got to say.
Power Women Group, we are a group of 14 members. This group was formed in the year 2004, and it was formed by women who are HIV positive. At first we met at the clinic, and we became with the idea to form the group because by that time there was a lot of stigma and discrimination against people living with HIV and AIDS. So we realized through us we can make a change in the community. So we decided to form the group to create awareness in the community to understand better what HIV is and how you can be infected. So we decided to do door-to-door awareness, health talk in clinics, in schools and in churches for a period of 2 years. After 2 years, stigma and discrimination reduced. And then we decided not to part ways because we were together doing awareness in the community. So we decided to start a group business to keep us together. So right now this is our place. This is our place where we are. And we are thinking how we can build it in a good way where we can get some resources from this one, because sometimes sales are down, and it is a challenge to us even to
Do you get any help from the government?
We get help from the government because they are buying medicine for us.
Okay.
And they supply all over the clinics in Kenya, so we get them free of charge. And you know the medicines are very, very expensive. So we really appreciate our government for taking care of us. Mm-hmm. Because if it is about to buy the medicine, it is not easy because they are expensive.
Mm-hmm. And a wave.
Power women.
It was a powerful reminder of the impact of grassroots initiatives can create positive changes.
Is he recording? Ready? Power women! Power women!
Through the maze of narrow streets and colourful shacks, I was struck by the resilience and warmth of the people living there.
What are you making?
Despite their hard living conditions, there was a sense of community and togetherness that was truly inspiring.
Yeah, yeah.
So the railway still works. The railway still works.
Still works?
Yeah, this is the old railway being built by the British in 1890s to 1920s.
Wow.
It comes all the way from the coast of Mombasa to our neighboring country, Uganda.
And how often do the trains come through here?
We have 3 trains a day nowadays. We have the passengers train in the morning, the cargo train in the afternoon, and the passengers train in the evening, which brings people back to their residential areas. So, in the afternoon, it's the cargo train that comes from the port of Mombasa to our neighboring country, Uganda. So don't worry, it's very slow. Which the madhouse is the cheapest one. The reason is that when it rains, it falls a lot. Then you repair it frequently. The second one is the iron sheet, which is in the middle, of which the problem with the iron sheet is that when it's hot, it's really hot. And when it's cold, it's really cold inside. Yeah. And then we have the stone house, which is the expensive one, which can go to 4,500 Kenyan shillings per month. Yeah. So you can see the reason why when it rains, you usually repair it frequently because it falls a lot.
Wewe ndio umesunda bana, utokee kwa speed.
Bana ndio inatokea tokea tu. Yeah.
As we weaved ourselves through the narrow alleyways, I can't help but feel the energy and resilience of the community that calls this place home. The sights, the sounds, the smells, a sensory overload, but in the best way possible. One of the things that struck me during my time here is the sheer joy and laughter that fills the air, even in the face of such challenging circumstances.
Slowly?
Yeah. Okay.
These kids have nothing, yet smiles light up the whole neighbourhood.
So mostly we say...
As we trudged along, I could feel the heat zap the energy out of me. We were approached by an elderly woman. At first I was a little bit sceptical, but there was something about her warm smile that put me at ease. And then this incredible woman started chatting to me, broken English, mixed with Swahili, but her warmth and smile needed no translation. The next thing I knew, she was gesturing us to follow her into this tiny, modest house. And let me tell you, the relief from the scorching sun was like heaven on earth.
How much I'm sweating. Yeah. Incredible.
The moment I set foot in the orphanage, I was greeted by the most heartwarming sight. A sea of smiling faces, eager to welcome me into their world. The energy and the joy was contagious, and I knew right away it was going to be a day to remember. Every moment spent in the Nairobi Slums Orphanage was filled with pure, unadulterated happiness. These children may have very little in terms of material possessions, but their spirits are truly rich beyond measure.
What's the youngest? The smallest?
Speaking with Elijah opened my eyes to the challenges that they face every day in providing for these amazing children. Despite the hardships, their dedication and love for the kids shone through, inspiring me in many ways I'd never imagined.
You don't look 5.
Liza actually told me,
How old are you?
even though the children had no parents,
7.
they had the community. So each child had over 200 parents that loved and cared for them.
And what's this? That's it, you've got it. So,
Yeah?
who knows what these are? Head? Okay, what's this one? Hand, what's this one? You're very clever, speaking 2 languages, English and Swahili. I could only speak English, so you must be cleverer than me.
One particular child stole my heart. The little girl with the bobble hat and the brightest smile and the most infectious giggle. Spending time with them reminded me of the power of human connection. As I walked away from the Nairobi Slums Orphanage, my heart was full. My soul had been touched by the resilience and spirit of the children that I had met. The experience left a lasting impact on me, reminding me of the beauty that can be found in the most unexpected places. Thank you for joining me on my journey. I felt privileged to be accepted into this community. And friends, remember, it's moments of connection and compassion that truly makes life worth living. Until next time, take care and spread love wherever you go.